Hey, what's up, Theta Network holder? So this is not a financial video. Theta Network cannot give me extra money for making this video, my brother. Please, why you not understand? I just make video for my viewers, my subscriber, to they will get a profit and craft from my brother. So please remember to this is I cannot, my friends, make a financial video. Remember, why you not understand? I just make video for you, my brother. To you will get a profit and absolutely you will earn money and crypto. So if you want to earn money and crypto, you need to subscribe this channel on YouTube and definitely must watch my every video about any cryptocurrencies, every altcoin, my brother. I will give you guarantee to which coin, my friend, I will give you, my friends. So this is very good for investment. So follow my advice, my videos. Absolutely, I will give you guarantee you will get a profit because I have shared my 3-year experience. There is a 3 years ago, my brothers, I will invest in crypto, and definitely what I learned in this my last 3 years, absolutely I will share with you now. So this is very good channel, my brother, for all new holders especially. Kindly, you cannot need to my friend follow any telegram groups, any my friend Facebook pages, groups. So if you just in only subscribe this channel, remember, my brother, you need to just watch our 2-minute video and you will learn something very special, and absolutely I will give you urgent updates and very special informative videos. So in this video, absolutely I will give you something very special information about Theta Network coin. So kindly, if you are new my channel, first of all you need to subscribe this channel, and after that you need to watch this video completely, and after that, my brother, you will need to take a decision. So come to the point, my brother. And this stop, as you can see, a 76.67% they will get a profit in last 1 month. So remember to in July every coin will very badly falls down, and absolutely I will make a day by day, absolutely every single day I will make a for Theta Network coin now. So therefore, absolutely you will be better understand, my brother, because I already tell us in my previous video to they will moving upward in upcoming days. Absolutely, as you can see here, this all August month, day by day I will tell you to do they will moving upward, and definitely as you can see here they will moving upward. So that's clear to my prediction, my advice, everything is going to be right, and definitely I will just and only cannot give you a fake news, I will give you a real news. So you can see, my brother, from previous especially 2 days they were very badly fell down. Remember to this is not a very long dump, my brother. Definitely after a short dump they will take a very huge pump now. So therefore I know to after a fails every coin will take a very huge jump now. So therefore I note this, my best, to after a fail every coin will take a jump. So therefore I know to upcoming time, especially last 10 days of this month, they will give you a very good profit. So kindly, if you have any plan to invest more, so I think this is very good time of this to invest now. Please don't miss this chance, take a risk and get a profit in very short time. See you next time, holder. Allah Hafiz, take care.